Okay, this is called Bella's first and new pair of shoes. See if we can't zoom in on those shoes of hers. There we go. Yay! Where'd your ball go? Zoe's got a ball. Go, Bella, go. Go, 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 Bella, go. Go, go, go. And there she goes. Say bye-bye, Bella. Bye-bye.